Join me as I challenge myself to explore Singapore like a true local, trying out all the hidden gems and local eats that tourists might miss. Experiencing Singapore like a local is all about immersing yourself in the culture, and I believe that's where the magic happens. When you take the time to really get to know a place, you start to uncover all the little secrets and hidden gems that make it so unique. Tourists often flock to the same old attractions, like Gardens by the Bay and Marina Bay Sands, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. I think a lot of visitors miss out on the real Singaporean experience by sticking to the beaten path. They might not know that some of the best food is found at hawker centers, or that the most vibrant neighborhoods are the ones that are a little off the beaten path. And let's not forget about the language. While English is widely spoken, you might hear some other languages being spoken on the streets, like Mandarin or Malay. Some tourists might even think that Singapore is just a fancy modern city with not much to offer in terms of culture or history. But that's just not true. Singapore has a rich cultural heritage with influences from China, India, and Southeast Asia. If you take the time to explore the different neighborhoods, like Chinatown or Little India, you'll start to get a feel for the local culture. And don't even get me started on the food. Singaporean cuisine is a fusion of different flavors and styles, and it's absolutely delicious. So where do you go to experience Singapore like a local? For me, it's all about exploring the hawker centers. These bustling food courts offer a huge variety of dishes, from classic Singaporean fare like chili crab and Hainanese chicken rice, to more adventurous options like fried insects or balut. And then there are the hidden gems, like the colorful street art in Haji Lane, or the peaceful oasis of the Botanic Gardens. To navigate the city like a true local, I'd recommend taking public transportation. The MRT is efficient and easy to use, and you can get a prepaid card to make it even simpler. One of my favorite local experiences is celebrating Chinese New Year in Singapore. The streets come alive with parades, fireworks, and traditional performances, and the food is, of course, amazing. You can try all sorts of traditional dishes, like dumplings or niang gao, sticky rice cake, and even participate in some of the traditional activities, like giving out red envelopes or watching lion dances. It's an incredible experience that really gives you a feel for the local culture. Another unique experience is trying some of the local street food at a night market. Singapore has a thriving night market scene, with vendors selling everything from grilled meats to fresh fruit to souvenirs. It's a great way to experience the sights, sounds, and smells of the city, and to pick up some unique souvenirs. These areas are steeped in history and culture, and you can really get a feel for the local way of life. From the colorful shop houses to the vibrant street art, there's always something new to discover. In the end, experiencing Singapore like a local is all about being open to new experiences and willing to venture off the beaten path. By taking the time to really get to know the city, you can have a much more authentic and memorable experience. So, I hope you've enjoyed this journey through Singapore like a local, and I'm sure you've picked up some tips and inspiration for your own travels. If you have your own local experiences to share, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear about them. And if you're looking for more travel tips and adventures, be sure to check out my next video. Like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more interesting travel videos. Thank you for watching Beyond Borders. Thank you for watching Beyond Borders.